And we will end up seeing that storm system, but it is not going to be nearly as robust, and we are not going to see that tornado threat. Now you look at our weather stem time-lapse cam from today, 69 degrees, and I'll tell you, beautiful sunset, number one. Number two, those temperatures were all over the place because we had a Carolina wedge set up. Cooler to the north, warmer down to the south, so some of us hardly hit 60. Some of us were in the mid-70s. Just kind of was depending on where you were at. Now, we look at our presidential election day extremes. The warmest, 77 degrees. The coldest, 27 degrees. And we even had one year back in 1972 where we picked up almost an inch and a half of rain. So these are extremes. As we head through the day tomorrow, I would say not too extreme. We have some rain in the forecast. Just going to be kind of a light rain as we head through the day. Looking at high temperatures to top out. Again, not going to be upper 70s, but also not going to be too cold. We'll be in the low to mid 70s as you head through the middle of your Tuesday. Radar and satellite right now, we are dry. And if you go ahead and look at your future track, kind of see what's next, notice a lot of this is just kind of light green. I'm expecting light showers at any point throughout your Tuesday. So certainly you will want to grab that rain gear as you head out the door tomorrow or heading out the door tomorrow morning or afternoon. We look at these rain chances. This is through Tuesday. No, not everybody's going to get rain, but I'm going to continue to play this into Wednesday and Thursday. That rain coverage really increases, especially south of Charlotte, and that's with our next weather system. I think for now, just looking at those isolated showers, but by Wednesday night into Thursday, that's when those rain chances do get a little bit higher for the area. Let's also talk about the tropics. I know it is still hurricane season. We have Tropical Storm Rafael right now in the Caribbean. This is forecast to become a hurricane as it heads right toward Cuba and the Cayman Islands and then go into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, where does it go from there? Some models have this just dissipating, but some models also have it going toward the northern Gulf Coast. So this will be one we have to watch. Not going to directly impact the Carolinas, but it could indirectly bring us some moisture from that system. Not going to be anything like Helene, but we could see an inch, maybe two, across parts of the Carolinas as we head through next week. So we'll watch that one closely. We look at your 7-day forecast. Temperatures kind of all over the place. We have some 60s, we have some mid-50s out there, but no real big cool down. In fact, above average. Look at that low temperature tomorrow night into Wednesday. That is close to our average high of 67 degrees. So above average as we head through this week.
All right.
A little bit of rain, though.
Glad
Good news.
to see the rain on the forecast. Yeah, it's getting kind of dry and dusty out there.
It is, especially in the mountains. They are dealing with that dry, what was mud, now dry dirt.